zombie. Oh, I want the one with the golden armor. I want it. It's mine. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Get the other one. This one's mine. Everybody, Ghoulish Guy. We're playing a Minecraft game today. It was created by Brinks and Kitty Gamer and Gamer Eerie, I think. I can't pronounce it. Sorry for whoever you are. Anyway, the rules are: don't break any blocks that you didn't place. And this is the starting kit. We will each grab a sword, 2 swords, or 1 sword. And also, when I joined this was already in my inventory, so I'm just gonna put this back in. I don't even know what this is for. Okay.
First, we gotta go over the rules, right?
Those were the rules.
Well, I'm retarded.
Press this button before playing the game. Excuse me. Okay, the rules are: note. Press the button in the shop to get the armor or weapon, but don't steal. Put the right amount of rotten flesh in the chest under the command block to pay for an item. Then press the button on the command block to get what you bought. Check the price chest to see how much it cost. Don't break the blocks that you didn't place, even if you are ready to start the level. Press the button on the command block for this. This is a good game for 1 to 5 players. Okay. Excuse me? So, you understand what they're saying, right? What are they saying? You have to pay for the stuff with rotten flesh. I'll be keeping an eye on you, chicken man.
This button starts the game, guys.
One second, what's in here? Wait, excuse me. Let's just an enchantment table. Okay. You ready to start the game?
Yep.
Sorry. Okay. Okay, we gotta kill these zombies. Oh, I want the one with the golden armor. I want it. It's mine. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Get the other one. This one's mine. Yes, I got armor, dudes. I got armor, my dudes. Did you die? I got some armor.
And I got 3 pieces of rotten flesh.
Okay, I don't have any rotten flesh, so let's just wait. Let's just save up our rotten flesh for now. Actually, let's see. This is the main area. This is the mining area.
Ooh.
Don't touch. No touching. You can't. No, not yet. Mining area here. Mine ore here. Excuse me. Oh, that was a bad mistake. Watch out. I don't want to die. That's mine. Give it back. Give it.
Take off my rotten flesh.
No, just give me my rotten flesh. Just give me mine. Thanks. This one's mine.
That room's a cheat room.
No, this is a shop. Stupid. This is what they were talking about. To get leather boots cost 10 rotten flesh. 10 rotten flesh for leather leggings. Yeah, all this stuff.
And then click this.
What? Dude, what'd you do?
Gold level.
Dude, no. What'd you do? What did you do?
You wanna go back to there?
Go back. I don't know how to do this. Get up. Get up.
I've been here before.
Dude, the gold helmet costs 35 rotten flesh. Okay, we're gonna have to get a lot more rotten flesh. guess this is all. Ooh, a regular bow. Oh. Are you kidding me, Dora? Do you want to go? I'll fight you. Okay. We have a wolf. One wolf.
And I got a lead.
A lead. Okay, you ready to spawn some more monsters, I guess? I just spawned in some zombies, so be on the lookout. Where are they? Think I did.
They're over here.
Where?
We gotta go deep out here.
Anyway, guys, I want to thank the creator for making this map because it's actually really cool.
The one with the gold mine.
No, this is not where they're spawned. That Junior, we're outside of the map. Junior, we're outside of the map. Let's go back. This is cheating. Come on, let's go back. Hurry. Better hurry, dudes.
You got ads, my dude.
Hurry back. Why are they in here? Oh my god. No, get away from her. Oh, you didn't just do that. I got him. Dude, I got him. Get him off of a lead. Dude, get him off. He's mine. He's mine. Okay. Oh my god. You get. Oh no, I'm so sorry. Oh no, my doggy died. What is back here? Is this a dark alleyway?
Maybe we could trade with the villagers too.
I wouldn't be so sure. Okay, move. Dude, no. Stop. Move, He's mine. I saw him first. You're mean. Sorry. I want him. I'll give you the armor, but I want to kill him. Oh, he didn't drop anything but arrows. That's a mega oof.
I got 10 pieces of
Okay. I already have pretty good stuff, so. I still have just 20.
Go.
Where are the skeletons at? They're somewhere. You cheated.
How did I cheat?
You cheated.
How?
I knew it. I knew it. You cheated. I knew it. I knew it. I just knew it. I knew it deep down in my heart. Let me check something. How much leather did you? How much did you have?
I have 10 pieces of what?
20.
10.
You had 10.
Yeah.
So how'd you get that and that?
What?
That?
That?
Yeah.
That was the door.
No. I'm talking about the speed. What, you know what? Just whatever. I'm still gonna win.
I didn't see
Now the
this one.
skeletons are somewhere. I'm gonna find him and I'm gonna kill him. So, where are the skeletons? I clicked for them to spawn, but I don't know where they are.
I am literally on.
You're literally on what?
I'm on 1.5 heart.
Maybe you should eat.
I'm gonna eat.
You got rotten flesh?
That's gonna poison me.
And you gotta eat somehow.
I grab a star.
Okay, I am super confused about this. What'd you just do? I see that.
2 pieces of iron.
How'd you get those 2 pieces of iron, my dudes?
I'm rotten flesh, my dude.
Don't think that's how it works.
Yeah, it is.
You dirty. Is there a crafting table anywhere?
Yes.
Where?
What do you need a crafting table for?
Make an iron sword. I think that's what it's for. It's either something or it's for a shop.
Yeah, you go to the shop. How much is for a diamond sword? How much flesh?
Diamond sword is 40 rotten flesh and 2 bones. But I only still have 5 pieces of rotten flesh. Also, I don't know how to get out of here. Never mind, I found it. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna make another video about this. I think I'm gonna leave it here because I got plannings to do. If you know what I mean. If not, you'll figure it out in the next episode. That's it for today, guys, and enjoy the video.